Hey y'all, this is Coasters and Travels, and I am back at Fun Spot Kissimmee. We're here to look at the update of the RMC 208 Retrack for Mind Blower. And just by looking at it from here, it looks like a lot has changed. Let's check it out. This section here is getting smaller and smaller. So it looks like they completed the first turnaround, as you can see here. I know it's probably hard to see here, but this is the final turnaround into the brakes. They got that track installed. Okay, with the exception of these pieces here, this lot is completely empty. That means all of the pieces are either already installed or about to be installed. So not only this area is reopened, there's a train on the track already. That means they're probably going to test way sooner than I expect. Get a closer look at the track. Move around here. Yep, this is where the 208 Retrack connects to the wooden structure, and it starts there. Well, it ends there, all the way down to the bottom of the first drop.
Don't go to business with them that late.
And I think that's it for this small update. It looks like construction is wrapping up, and the three sections they refurbished were the first drop, or the bottom half of the first drop, the first turnaround, and then the final turnaround to the brakes. Not sure if that's enough for this to make this ride better, but looking at the trains on the tracks, we're going to find out very, very soon. I'm guessing within the next week or two, this ride is going to be testing, and before you know it, we're going to get a chance to get our first ride. So if you want to see that moment, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified of my latest videos, and I'll see you next time. Take care.